As you may know by now, Grok AI is no longer free and you have to pay over about $30, which is about 48,000 to 50,000 naira for you to be able to access those Grok images. I have the best alternative for you right now. Now, these are totally free, and one is you can pay for one slightly. Now, the first one is actually Meta AI. Now, Meta AI generates very good realistic images and video and voices, just the same way Grok does. Only that the quality is a little bit down, but you can also get some better quality that you can work with Meta AI. The only problem I have with Meta AI is that it's slow most times. It's slow, and then it can lag sometimes and never come up with image. In fact, just let me just show you how I'm doing this generation. Just take a look at this. Okay, so now let's go to, I'm going to just copy a prompt that I was working on here. So I'm just going to copy this first prompt right here. So double tap to copy everything. Now you choose, go to meta.ai, then choose the format is always 16:9, then click on enter. Now most times I do generate image before clicking generate video. Also, you can also paste the prompt directly to generate the video, and then to generate really fast. Now you can sign up with this with your Facebook, your Instagram, or an email address. Okay, and it's totally free. There has not been any limit since I've been using it. The only thing, like I said, is that it's slow. Now this time around it's fast. It generated the image really fast. Then I'll click on animate. The animation, when you generate an image, animating the image is quite fast as well. Now unlike Grok will show you like a kind of a countdown, but this one here doesn't show you any kind of countdown. It just shows some things that look like dust this way, so you have to be patient. So now you're going to see the image. The image is supposed to be something dating back to like about 1 million years ago or something like that. So you can see how long it takes. Now boom, here we have our image. You can see, I mean, here we have our video. You can see the video, very realistic, very in good quality. So now the second option I'm going to be giving to you that also generates a very good and realistic images is Flow AI. Now if you've been using Whisk, then you should know Flow is also a Google product, because if you subscribe for Germany, you also get Flow. Now Flow has a free version. Every day you are allowed to generate about, you are giving credit every single day, you are allowed to generate up to 5 videos or 3 videos or something thereabout with Flow, and then you reset every new day. However, you can pay 3,000 naira, that's less than $4, to generate more, to subscribe for their most basic package, and you'll be able to generate more. Now if you decide to go for the second package, which is the pro package, the first month is totally free. And let me give you a trick. The first month is totally free. If you add your card to subscribe for the first month, and then by the second month, or before it gets to the end of that first month, you can decide to remove your cards, and the image generated by Flow is very good. The only problem with Flow is that there are some words, there are some things, there are some images that are actually restricted that you cannot generate. Those are the times that we usually go for Grok. Whenever we have a restriction on Flow or on Wix, we usually go for Grok. But now you can also go for Meta AI if you have such restriction. So let me know which of them you'll be trying. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you'll not be missing out on things like this.